Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be unboxing these two packages which I have received from Amazon. This is the Simtech LED indicator and the Flashx for the Scram 411 which I had ordered from Amazon for my friend, and today I'll be installing this on his Scram 411. So let's unbox this now. So this is the Flashx. This is of the Himalayan BS6 model. This can be also installed for the Scram 411. And let's now unbox the LED indicators. So this is the Simtech LED bulb. Let's unbox this. As you can see, these are the LED bulbs for the Himalayan, and this is the warranty card, as you can see here. So let's keep this safe in case we might need this in the future. And these are the bulbs. They are pretty good quality, and I think they are waterproof also. As you can see, there is a small packing over here. I think these are waterproof. And let's unbox the flasher. Okay, so this is direct plug and play system. You don't need to cut anything. And let's unbox the flasher too. Okay, you get a warranty for this also. Yes, this is the warranty card, you can see. And this is the instructions how to use it. And the warranty registration scanner is over here. And you get a sticker also. Yeah, the Flashx sticker. And the Flashx system. This is the Flashx. This is completely waterproof, and it's from Race Dynamics, and this is a pretty good quality flasher. And let's install. I have installed the LED indicators for the Scram now. I'll turn it on and show you all. Okay, this is how they look. It's a little bright compared to before. And now I'll install the Flashx. You can see here also. I'll install the Flashx and show you all now. To install the Flashx, you'll need to remove the seat. And once you remove the seat, as you can see over here, there is one black color coupler. You need to search it. It will be down over here. Okay, this one. Just 1 second. Now you can see this coupler. You'll need to remove this coupler and just take the Flashx and install it. It's just a plug and play. Just need to put this over here and this one over here, and it's done. This is how the Flashx is need to be installed. And now I'll turn it on. Once you turn on the key, to know if the Flashx is working, just turn on the key and you can see these lights blinking over here. That means the Flashx is completely installed and properly installed. And now I'll show you how the functioning works of the Flashx. To activate the Flashx, just you need to toggle right, left, right and center. And once it's done, you can see over here, it's working now. And this is the pattern. There are many more patterns in this. There are more 60 patterns. You can choose any one pattern. To change the pattern, you just need to toggle left, center, and the pattern is changed. You can see over here. Then again, if you press left, center, the pattern gets changed again. This is how the Flashx works. So this was installed for the Scram 411. So that's all for today. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.